Hello, Divergence traders. This is Jason here. If I sound a little weak, I'm not feeling too well. I have some medical problems there around my lower back. I slept on it the wrong way. So anyway, I couldn't do my video at the time that I usually do it because I was at the emergency hospital then, getting it checked out. I thought it was my kidney or a kidney stone or something like that, but it wasn't. My kidneys are up higher than where I thought they were. But anyway, my kidney is okay. Oh, I just got to get some medicine. I'm going to go after I shoot this video. Some anti-inflammatory medicine there to take out the inflammation, because my muscles and maybe some of my organs are inflamed. They're swollen up, and I gotta get them right. So anyway, we had divergence here. Sorry, I'm a little bit weak here. Please bear with me. It's going to take a little longer, but I'll just try and do the setups and not go off on my usual rants. So if you would have bought here 5 minutes after 8, your stop would have been at the near swing low right here, 18 points. And it went up 50 points. So you got your 2-to-1 there, okay? Then there was another trade right here. Wrong arrow. Oh, I might be able to use that over here. Okay. So next, excuse me. So this was the opening of the stock market right here. So if you did get in on a trade, you would have sold it right on the opening of this candle, which would have been right here. And it went in your favor, 29 points. And this is where we'd usually put our stop, is right here. So it would have come up and said, tag, you're it. You just lost 30 points. So it was a loser. But then we had another entry, okay, where it shot down again. You know, like I say, don't trade the open. It can kill you, right? You should wait 5 to 10 minutes later. So anyway, oh, that took a lot of me just to say that. So if you're brave enough to take it the second time, and you waited for a retracement, you would have sold it right here on the close. Okay, and your stop would have been up here, 40 points. And it did go against you at 23.5 points. And then it went down 130 points. It was a beautiful thing. Then we have a low and a lower low, okay? So this was tricky because I would have waited for a pullback, okay? I wouldn't have bought up here. I would have waited for a pullback at a better price. You always want to get in at a better price. So if you would have got in here on the close or at the line, say we got in right here at the 5, okay? So you had a 38-point stop. Guess what? It went up 50 pips. You would have done it right there. Then we had another trade, okay? Right here. See how it's higher than this one? So that's all you have to draw it to, is right there. You don't have to draw it up here, way the hell up here. You don't need to do that. Oh, I forgot to put in my line over here. So we had the line going up and the line going down, which gave you the sell trade, okay? Okay, so here's this trade now. So we got this, and then we got this right down here like this, see? Right here and right here. Yeah, it goes in closer. Somewhere about right there, okay? So, again, we would have looked for a sell right there after it crossed down, okay? It went down pretty good here, so you'd want to wait for a better price, a pullback, which was this one right here. So say you got in short right here, okay? Got in short right there. Your stop would have been the nearest, closest swing high, 27 points. Did it go down 27 points? Oh yeah, it went down 30 points. You would have got your 1-to-1. If you would have held on, no, you didn't get 2-to-1. You got your 1-to-1 though. You got your 1-to-1 in here and 2-to-1 in here. Lots of trades in here, right? Even though it doesn't look like it. Whew, it's hard for me to talk. I'm sorry. There was no trade to buy in here, believe it or not. But there was a trade up here. It was basically a high and a higher high. And a high and a lower high on the indicator. So you would have got short right there on the opening of this candle. Your stop would have been 29 points. And it went down 43 points. So you would have got your 1-to-1. And 60, oh yeah, 80, 90 points. You would have got your 2-to-1 if you held on to the bottom. And that's it. You don't want to trade past here. You really don't want to trade past over here. Look at all them trades, eh? And I was sick and I couldn't trade today. Smodzy. Oh well. At least I get to show you guys all the setups. So let's look at the Dow now. What did it do? Sorry. Yawning on ya. Well, there's no trade here that I can see. We had the low and the lower low, but we had a low and then a higher low over here. So there was no trade to buy here. However, this little red candle here, actually this one right here, would have got you in long right there at the same place anyway. And up it went, 111 points. If you didn't get that one, then you got this one. And it went up. And here's another one. Buy the lower closing candle, and up it goes. So as you can see, right over here was the opening of the stock market. This candle right here with the baton, with a wick on each end of it. Okay? So, this blue candle would have got you short right here on the close of it. And look at that. 130 points in 10 minutes. Gotta love it. Then, up here, high and higher highs. Sorry if I'm putting you to sleep here. I don't mean to. I'm not feeling good. Oh. But I couldn't miss doing my video. I have to do the video. I could have done it tomorrow, but I want you guys to have something to look at tonight. Because I know all you traders, when the market closes, you love to go back and look at the charts and see what you did right or what you did wrong and what you should have done or would have done or could have done. I understand all that. I do. I've been trading 22 years staring at these charts, and I do that every day, still to this day. I look at the charts, man. Okay. So we would have sold it there. Our stop would have been 36 points. Did we get 36? Oh, 37.8. We got it just by the skin of our teeth. Oh. sorry. Okay. Did we have a trade here? We did. Let me just show you with this one. With a new one, I mean. Okay, so you go like this to this, like that. This is hard to see, hidden divergence, and this one's really hard to see. But I can see it, no problem. No problemo. Handre. Ipa. All right. Would have got long right here. Hidden divergence. Stop would always be at the closest swing low, which is right here. 26-point stop. Look at that. Went up 57 points, ladies and gentlemen. That's 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Gotta get some water. There's no divergence up here. Nada. Nothing. The only thing you could have traded was this higher closing candle. Once it closed, you would have sold it right here. And it would have gave you a total of 35 points maximum potential. Okay? Doesn't mean you would have got 35 points. I'm just telling you the max potential. In other words, if you got in right here and somewhere you got out down in here somewhere, you made some points. Okay? Okay. Then we came down. This here, I would not have bought a dip here because we're so close to all this resistance. I wouldn't be trading at this time anyway, but let me show you. So here's a higher, a bit, you know, like a pretty nice size blue closing candle, which is a higher closing candle. You would sell it here. And down it went, 23 points. Here's the second one. Sell on the opening of this candle. Down it goes, 27 points. And again, sell here. Boom. See that? Higher closing candle. Sell. Boom. Higher closing candle. Sell. Boom. Higher closing candle. Sell. Boom. You could have made yourself look like the fucking trade rock star on the planet if you could have done those 3 scalps. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. And here's another one. This one is cool. Me, I always get freaked out when price goes above my 2 moving averages because when it usually does that, it changes direction. See? Like right here, and 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 then right here. See? So usually I wouldn't take a trade like this. I would wait for more confirmation. I would wait for it to come down a little bit back into the moving averages. Then I would sell it. Okay? Oh, shit. That took a lot out of me to say all that. Okay. Here's the S and the P. There's that trade again. Lower lows. Okay. I got to try and speed this up. I'm getting very weak here. I'm sorry. I got to get this done. Okay, right here, stop would have been this is the S and the P, 3 points. Went up 14 points. Yeah, 14 points. Now up here, we have a high retracement, higher high. Okay, it's like this. There was divergence. There definitely was. It's like that. You would have sold in here. Down it goes. 8-point stop. Went down 18 points. What do we have down here? I don't know. I don't know. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, I know what we have. That's double bottom, man. Singing to you. Singing. Double bottom. Boom, boom. Lots of trades. Figures there's lots of trades and I'm really sick to try and do this. Holy sheep shit. So you would have bought there. Your stop would be right underneath this wick. 8-point stop and it went up 11 points, 10 points. You would have got your 1-to-1. Here's another trade up here. Oh, it's just like the NASDAQ. A whole bunch of freaking trades. Oh yeah. I'm happy to see the trades, but I want to get through the video. I need to go to the drugstore now and get some inflammation pills. Oh, hopefully it'll bring the swelling down and I'll feel better. Okay, you would have got short in there somewhere. It went down. It was a winner. Chicken dinner, okay? It was a winner. Here's another one at the top of it. Right here. High and higher highs, see? We didn't have this one on the NASDAQ. See, you would have got short right in there. Yeah, short right there. Boom. Oh, I'm getting pain now on my side. Oh, shit. No, there wasn't divergence there. Okay. It went down, man. Then came back a little bit, then went down further. It was good. It was good. What did oil do? Let's see. Oh, roaming hills with the oil. Let's go look. Oh, yeah. It's just, there's actually a cell there, too. Let me show you. Right here. Double top. Right there. See how that line is straight as a line can be? Yeah. Okay. We'll put this line here. That's on the next one. Something like that. You would have got in here. Sell it short. Your stop would be 15 ticks on the oil. Oh, we're at $77. Holy fook, man. Gasoline's going to go right up. I better go fill up my car, too. I only have a quarter tank. Get the cheaper gas, right? So that's 75 points down it went. Then we have lower lows here. Oh. Let's get that arrow. So you would have got long here. Stop would have been 28 ticks. Went up 60 ticks. 2-to-1. There you go. There it is. Look at it just sticking right out at you right there. Boom. 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 20-point stop. You always put it at the nearest swing low, which is right here. 20 points. Went up 50 points. 50 ticks. Was that the last one? No, there's one more, ladies and gentlemen. Just give me a sec here. Okay. We got a swoop down low or a pullback along the trend right there. And right there, see, this one's going down. This one's slightly going up. That is hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen. So you would have got long right there perfectly with zero drawdown. Look at that. Look at that. 15 tick stop and it went up 49 ticks. How do you like them apples, huh? And then you people who are late for dinner, okay? Here's another high and higher high, and look down here. Look. You would have sold it in here. Right there. And it went down 27 pips. Oh, man. Okay. That's oil. Let's look at gold. Oh. Look at gold. Yuck foo. Look at that shit. Algo's made a killing in here. And they dragged it through the whole freaking, almost through the whole UK session. I'm sorry about me stalling with my words today. I'm really ill here with this problem I have. We're getting there. We're almost done. Okay, here we go. High and higher highs. Come on, you're supposed to stick on that wick. You little Lugan. There we go. And right there. You would have got short right there. Your stop would have been at the closest swing high because we're selling. And when we're buying, we're putting it at the closest swing low. So 25 pips was the stop, and it went down 70 pips, okay? Oh, there's a trade, look. There's a ton of freaking trades today, and I can barely talk. Oh, my God. Oh, shit. Right here. Low and lower, low. And buy right there, and up we go. Buying the opening of this candle right here. Stop would have been 27 points. Yeah, you got it. You got 45 points. You see how the market chops 80% of the time and trends 20% of the time. And you can see that in here, right in here. That's why you can't, when you get into a trade, you can't always think, oh, it's going to run 100 pips today, and you're getting all excited, and it stops after 30, 35 pips. It doesn't give you your 100 pips, and then you don't take the money that you could have took, and you give it back, because then it retraces back. See, like right here, say we got in right here after this chop, and you're thinking, oh, look, all this chop, look at these long wicks. Look, they're buying it. They're buying it. They're going to take it to the moon. To the moon! No, they didn't take it to the moon. They took it up 44, 45 points, okay? Then what did they do if you didn't take it? Because your stop was 28 points. So if you didn't take your 28 points, they fooled you up here, making you think, oh, it's going to go to the moon. No. And they sold it back down. And if you didn't get out right here with a small loss, then you got out down here with a big loss. Because remember this now. Let me tell you two very, 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 I meant to tell you this many videos ago, but I keep forgetting. I'm 59. What can I tell you? I've been through some hell. Here's the two things I'm going to tell you. I just told you one. 80% of the time, the market chops. The other 20%, it goes on a trend, okay? Now, the second thing that's very, very important is when you get into trades, say you got into this trade right here, okay? Now, you got to realize that unless it's like a long trend all day long, Marianne, okay? You got to realize that when you get in a trade, if it's moved in time 30 to 45, 50 minutes, it's almost done doing what it's going to do, and it's going to go the other way. It's a timing thing. Let's count the time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. See, there's the end of the move. You see that? Right there. You got to remember that. Write those down. That 80 and 20, and the moves usually last no longer than 30. A quick move is 30 minutes, and a faster move is about 45 minutes. Sometimes it goes past that, like an hour and a half or something. But that's what you got to remember. So then you can take your profits. And this here strategy, I say, works 8 to 9 times out of 10. If and only if you're going for a 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. And if you do the math, if you win 8 times out of 10, okay, you're still going to be profitable. Okay. There's another one, ladies and gentlemen, right here. We'll just do swinging from a wick to a candle. We'll do that on here too. Let me show you. See that? That is a bullish divergence. Easy to see bullish divergence. So that would have got you in here, somewhere in there. Your stop would have been way down there, 38 points. So, and another thing I like to tell you is, if you measure the stop and it's too big and you don't want to put on that much risk, don't do the trade. Wait for the next one. Trust me, just like trains, there's always another one coming down the tracks. Okay? There's always another trade. Don't make it think like, oh, damn, I missed that trade. Oh, man, and you're losing it. Don't worry about it. There's going to be another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, as long as you're trading. Okay? 38 points. Gold, pips. 38 pip stop here. How much did it go up? 42. Would have got your 1-to-1. Never would have came back and hit your stop down here. Because that's the magic of divergence. They take out the stops. See all the people who were buying in here? They put their stops right here. And this is where they come back and they got your stops and then they took it up. Because that's their job. And they always take out the stops first. And then the move happens and we get in after they take out the stops. That's why divergence is so freaking good. Okay. There's another trade here also. I'll just draw the line. Okay. Oh, I'm so tired. See right there, right here. Hold on. Okay. If you would have sold it here, it would have given you a rough ride all the way down. But you would have made some points. All right, let's move on. Pound yen, we'll do this quickly now. Oh yeah, pound yen's quick. Because there's no trade here. It's a V. V for victory. Yeah, there's no trade. There's no trade even here to buy it up. There's no trade. Euro yen? Oh, it's a little messy, euro yen, but oh. Sorry if I got quiet all of a sudden. I'm looking for the divergence. Oh, shit. This is crap, man. Well, no, I got to show you. Here it is. High and higher high. High and higher high. And this one going down. So if you would have jumped in here somewhere, because it didn't close till way the fook down here. Anyway, if you would have got in here somewhere, if you would have waited for it to break through this support right here, well, you didn't get much. 8 pips. Okay. Euro yen, you suck today. You suck. Let's look at the pound. Oh, look at the pound. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, 2 beautiful trades. Look at that. Woo-wee. There's a trade even up here to sell. Once it closed below this major support, down it goes. Yeah. Went down 40 points. One lot, that's 400 bucks. Okay, let's move on. Almost got this done, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so sorry it took so long. There's just a ton of trades today. I got to show it to you, right? I don't want anybody to say that I'm slacking, right? So you would have sold it right here, ladies and gentlemen. And your stop would have been right here, only 11 pips. This is the pound dollar. You would have got your 1-to-1 right there. And it went down 43 pips. And what do we have down here? So easy to see. I love these kind of trade setups with all the wicks and the lower lows. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's telling you two things at once. It's telling you the bottom's in, they're buying, and that's why there's wicks there. And it's telling you, hey, there's divergence, man. We got to go long here real soon. Right there. You would have got in long right there. And up it went, 35 pips, and your stop was only 10. 3-to-1 win-loss ratio. So, let's count this move, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. See, 55 minutes right here. See that? How much was this one? 5, 10, 15, 20, 60 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. See, that one took a long time. It took almost 2 hours. But trust me, usually it all happens within 30 to 50 minutes. And then the move is over. Time to move on and look for another trade. Anyway, this is Jason Sweezy. I trade divergence. I love divergence with a passion. And I love teaching it to you folks. I hope you'll come back on Monday and see some more divergence setups. Hopefully you're learning from the setups. I really hope so. And I should be better by next week. And so thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Good luck and good trading.